The Acura RL is a mid-size luxury sedan produced by Honda's luxury division, Acura, from 1996 to 2012. It served as the brand's flagship model during its production years. The RL was known for its blend of performance, comfort, and advanced technology. First generation, 1996 to 2004. The initial RL featured a 3.5-litre V6 engine producing 225 horsepower, front-wheel drive, and a focus on luxury and comfort. Second generation 2005 to 2012. The second generation RL, introduced in 2005, brought significant advancements, engine and performance, equipped with a 3.5-litre V6 engine producing 290 horsepower, later increased to 300 horsepower, with a 3.7-litre V6 in 2009, super handling all-wheel drive CHAWD. This innovative system distributed torque between front and rear wheels and also between the left and right rear wheels, enhancing handling and stability. Technological features included a Bose DVD Audio 5.1 sound system, keyless entry and start, adaptive cruise control, and a collision mitigation braking system CMBS. Safety earned top safety ratings, including 5-star crash safety ratings from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration NHTSA, and good ratings from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety RIHS. Performance metrics. The 2009 Acura RL with a 3.7-litre V6 engine achieved 0 to 60 miles per hour, approximately 6.1 seconds, quarter mile, 14.7 seconds at 96 mph, top speed 132 mph. These figures highlight the RL's balance of performance and luxury. In summary, the Acura RL was a well-regarded luxury sedan that combined performance, advanced technology, and safety features, making it a competitive choice in its segment during its production years.